Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add a fingerprint on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Scroll down and click on device unlock. After click on device unlock, click on fingerprint. After click on fingerprint, enter phone pin. If you want to add a fingerprint, click on add a fingerprint. Click on got it and you will see. Again, add fingerprint, got it. And you will see, click on done. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.